Welcome to today's Science MCQ challenge on combustion and flame. Test your knowledge with 26 important questions.
Question number 1. Combustion is a process in which a substance reacts with. Options are A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, and D. Hydrogen. Right answer is A. Oxygen. Question number 2. During combustion, energy is released as. Options are A. Heat only, B. Light only, C. Heat and light, and D. Sound only. Right answer is C. Heat and light. Question number 3. The lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire is called. Options are A. Boiling point, B. Ignition temperature, C. Freezing point, and D. Melting point. Right answer is B. Ignition temperature. Question number 4. Which one burns with a flame? And options are A. Coal, B. Charcoal, C. Candle, and D. Coke. Correct answer is C. Candle. Next question is charcoal does not burn with a flame because it. Options are A. is wet, B. does not vaporize, C. contains oxygen, and D. is very hot. Correct answer is B. does not vaporize. Question number 6. Fire requires. Options are A. fuel only, B. air only, C. heat only, and D. fuel, oxygen, and heat. Right answer is D. fuel, oxygen, and heat. Question number 7. Water extinguishes fire mainly because it. Options are A. supplies oxygen, B. produces smoke, C. cools the fuel below ignition temperature, and D. burns quickly. Correct answer is C. cools the fuel below ignition temperature. Question number 8. The best extinguisher for electrical fire. And options are A. water, B. sand, C. carbon dioxide, and D. petrol. Right answer is C. carbon dioxide. Next question. Burning of LPG is an example of. Options are A. explosion, B. spontaneous combustion, C. rapid combustion, and D. slow combustion. Right answer is C. rapid combustion. Question number 10. Burning phosphorus at room temperature is called. Options are A. rapid combustion, B. explosion, C. slow combustion, and D. spontaneous combustion. Right answer is D. spontaneous combustion. Question number 11. A candle flame has. Options are A. 1 zone, B. 2 zone, C. 3 zones, and D. 4 zones. Right answer is C. 3 zones. Question number 12. The hottest part of a candle flame is the. Options are A. inner dark zone, B. outer blue zone, C. middle yellow zone, and D. wick. Right answer is B. outer blue zone. Next question. The least hot part of the flame is. Options are A. inner dark zone, B. outer blue zone, C. middle yellow zone, and D. blue zone. Right answer is A. inner dark zone. Question number 14. The black soot is deposited from the. Options are A. inner dark zone, B. outer blue zone, C. middle yellow zone, and D. wick. Right answer is C, middle yellow zone. Question number 15. Goldsmiths use which part of the flame for melting gold? And options are A, inner dark zone, B, outer blue zone, C, middle yellow zone, and D, wick. Right answer is B, outer blue zone. Question number 16. The yellow luminous zone indicates options are A, complete combustion, B, cooling, C, partial combustion, and D, evaporation. Correct answer is C, partial combustion. Question number 17. A good fuel should have options are A, low calorific value, B, high smoke, C, high calorific value, and D, high ash content. Correct answer is C, high calorific value. Question number 18. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in options are A, joule, B, kilojoule per kg, C, watt, and D, Newton. Right answer is B, kilojoule per kg. Next question is, which fuel has the highest calorific value? And options are A, coal, B, hydrogen, C, LPG, and D, wood. Right answer is B, hydrogen. Question number 20. Which poisonous gas is produced during incomplete combustion? And options are A, carbon dioxide, B, oxygen, C, carbon monoxide, and D, nitrogen. Right answer is C, carbon monoxide. Question number 21. Safety matches use which form of phosphorus on the striking surface? And options are A, white phosphorus, B, yellow phosphorus, C, red phosphorus, and D, black phosphorus. Correct answer is C, red phosphorus. Question number 22. A fire breaks out in an electrical control room. Which fire extinguisher should be used? Options are A, water, B, carbon dioxide fire extinguisher, C, sand, and D, kerosene. Right answer is B, CO2 fire extinguisher. Question number 23. A goldsmith uses the outermost part of a candle flame for heating metals. Why? Options are A, it is coolest, B, it is smoky, C, it has maximum oxygen, and D, it has unburnt wax. Right answer is C, it has maximum oxygen. Question number 24. Oil catches fire in a frying pan. Which action is safest? Options are A, pour water, B, blow air continuously, and C, cover the pan with a lid, and D, add more oil. Correct answer is C, cover the pan with a lid. Question number 25. A matchstick lights only after rubbing against the rough surface. Why? Options are A, friction produces heat, B, water evaporates, C, oxygen is produced, and D, the stick becomes heavier. Right answer is A, friction produces heat. Question number 26. A person's clothes catch fire while cooking. What should be done immediately? Options are A, run outside, B, pour petrol, C, wrap with a blanket, and D, stand near a fan. Right answer is C, wrap with a blanket.
Congratulations! How many questions did you answer correctly out of 21? Comment your score below, like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more science MCQ quizzes